Hello and welcome everyone to Group 16 video presentation. Today's session we will explore the fascinating world of intellectual property. We often take for granted the things that surround us that are likely protected by some form of intellectual property. So what is intellectual property? By definition, intellectual property is a category of property that arises from human intellect and is a product of human creation. But in this video, we're gonna delve deeper into one specific type, which is trademarks. Now, what are trademarks? It can be symbols, words, phrases, or design that distinguish a product or service from its competitors. The importance of trademarks for businesses are brand recognition and consumer trust, protection from competitors using similar names or logos, building brand value, and a reputation.
Hey, I'm Kuwa Pei Shan, and I will introduce to you all what trademarks are. A trademark is a distinctive sign, design, or phrase that sets one brand apart from another. It could be a logo, brand name, slogan, or a combination of these elements. Trademarks help consumers identify the source of goods and services, ensuring they receive the quality they expect from a specific brand. Consider two products. Product A featuring the Apple logo. This product instantly signifies quality and authenticity. Product B, a generic smartphone with no recognizable branding. It can cause confusion and a lack of trust. There are various types of trademarks, including word marks, logos, color marks, and sound marks. Examples include logos like the Apple logo, the Nike shoes, the brand names Coca-Cola and McDonald's, and slogans like Nike's "Just Do It." Trademarks are crucial for protecting a brand's identity and building consumer trust.
Hello, my name is Haris Bin Zaid. Now I would like to present to you about the trademark registration process. The trademark registration process is the official procedure to legally protect a brand name, logo, or symbol. It involves submitting an application to the relevant government office. Step 1 is the preliminary steps. Before registering, we conduct a trademark search to avoid conflicts with existing marks. Ensure your chosen marks, whether a word, logo, symbol, or combination, is unique to streamline the registration process. Step 2 is an application. To file your trademark application, gather all necessary documents including the applicant name and address, a clear representative of the trademark, a list of goods services classified according to the next classification, and the application fee. You can submit your application online via the MyPoi filing system. Step 3 is an examination. During the examination phase, MyPoi conduct a formal examination to ensure the applicant meets filing requirements and notify the applicant of any deficiency. Step 4 is a publication and opposition. If the trademark passes examination, it will be published in the government gazette for 2 months. During this time, third party can oppose the registration. Step 5 is the registration. If there are no opposition or if opposition are resolved in favor of the applicant, MyPoi will register the trademark and issue a certificate of registration. The trademark is valid for 10 years from the application date and can be renewed indefinitely for an additional 10-year period, subject to renewal fees.
Hello everyone, this is Darshan and I will be adding some information to your brain about the cruciality of having a trademark for any business size. As an example, let's imagine that you are a tiny business owner, trying your hardest to stand out in a competitive market. It must be a pain to have recognition, right? And that's where trademark comes in to save your day. Trademarks act as a direct route of communication between businesses and customers. They help differentiate a brand such as Coca-Cola from a copycat brand. Customers will be pleased to know the real product and its quality. In today's ocean of generic items, a trademark will help a brand stand out more than its competitor, making the job for customers more easier to discover. Over time, trademarks can evolve into gigantic assets that can be worth a fortune, just like this treasure chest. They increase in value as the brand becomes more recognizable and trustworthy. And speaking of trustworthy, a trademark also increases a company's legitimacy and trust with customers and companies. Customers are more confident to choose over a product that has a high reputation when given the option, like choosing a PlayStation over some unknown brand.
So, that's the power of trademarks we have learned today. From how they help consumers recognize and trust brands, stands out from the crowd, and build valuable reputations. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more intellectual property insights. Until next time.